Hi families, welcome back to my channel. My new subscribers, you are all welcome. And my old subscribers, I say thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. So guys, today I just want to show you guys how you can pack your African thread, as in how to pack it. So guys, after when you're done with the plating, then you begin to add the hair. Just pick two to start. Then you take two strand of rubber, then you begin to wrap it just the way I'm wrapping it. So guys, when you wrap it a little bit, you take another one just to arrange it very well, then you begin to wrap again. That is how you keep going with the packing. Just make sure you pay attention to this video, watch it from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step of packing African Kiko. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a very big thumbs up if you love the video and if the video is helpful. So guys, that is how I keep going with this lovely hairstyle, as in Kiko African packing. So can you see? So if you really want to know how to do Kiko, please, I have a video for beginners how to do Kiko, as in African trading. So just go and watch it on my channel. So for today is just to show you how to pack the trading, as in the Kiko trading. So guys, that is how you keep going. Then you take two strand of rubber just to wrap it the way you see it on your screen. So you keep on going. Can you see? So guys, please, whenever you are doing Kiko, please don't make it too tight. And if you're doing this packing of a thing, you don't make it a knot while you are doing the Kiko. Just wrap it straight, as you can see it on your screen right now. So guys, and make sure when you wrap it a little bit, you take another one just to measure it before you continue with the wrapping. So guys, that is how you keep going. Can you see? You keep going with this wrapping. Just make sure the hair is not too tight. And if you're doing it two side, you take some parts, you take it equal. So guys, I'm done with the first part. So this is the second side that I'm doing the packing, as you can see. So when you're done with the packing, you cut the excess thread away, then you find a place to wrap it. So when you wrap it inside, just find a better place for you to, just to secure the one you've done so far. So guys, when you finish with the one you secure, then you take another two strand of rubber, then you begin from the beginning of the one you pack and you start stacking it just the way I'm tacking it, just to make it firm. And the two strand of rubber will hold everything together and it will make your work look so neat. Can you see what I'm doing? So you use the two strand of rubber just to secure it and to hold it firm. So make sure you tie it very well. So if you repeat the same thing on the other side, I'm just showing you this particular side for you to see what I'm doing clearly. So you repeat the same process to the other side. Can you see? So the two strand of rubber will hold it firm. So that is all about this lovely hairstyle. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also share this video to your loved ones. Share. And if you're trying to be part of the family, please subscribe to my channel. subscribe to this channel, please. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. We are done. Can you see, guys? The packing is looking so nice and is not painful. This is the final look of the packing. So guys, I'll see you on my next tutorial. I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Bye bye. I love you all.